Storms Tech channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the Motorola Moto G Pure for Verizon Prepaid. So the Moto G Pure is now here at Verizon Prepaid. It's available now for $149.99. No contract, of course. It's available in Deep Indigo there. So yeah. So I've already done a video about this one for Verizon Prepaid, but now it's available for Verizon Prepaid. So that's pretty cool. So if you guys want to get this one on postpaid or prepaid Verizon, y'all guys have the option to choose whatever one fits best for you. So this is the Moto G Pure. Very nice looking phone. This one got announced last week. So yeah, there's the phone right there. It's $149.99. Currently right now on Verizon Prepaid, it's free. When it's free, you guys do it monthly. So it's basically pretty much a free phone if you guys do the monthly option. Pretty much free for that, but don't know what y'all guys pay monthly for that phone, because the phone's $149.99. So that's pretty damn cheap. So you know. But anyways, guys, this is the Moto G Pure. You guys have your teardrop notch for your front-facing camera, power and volume keys on the right side of the phone there. You do have a fingerprint sensor in the back of the phone there with your logo right there. That's fingerprint sensor right there. You do get dual cameras in the back along with the camera flash as well. So it's pretty nice as the front there. Very nice looking phone. The left side has your micro SD and SIM card slot. Right side of the phone has your power button, volume keys. The back of the phone here, like I said, has dual camera setup. I think one is a main camera and the other one is a depth sensor on the rear, so it's pretty cool. And you also get a camera flash and the fingerprint sensor on the rear. There's the back of it again. Pretty nice looking phone there. Left side, like I said, has your SIM card and micro SD card slot. Right side, the power button, volume keys. There's the back of it again. And there's front and back again. So yeah. So the Moto G Pure has a 13 megapixel main camera on the rear, plus a 2 megapixel depth sensor, 46 hours of usage time, up to 18 days of standby time. The dimensions are 2.98 inches in width, 6.59 inches in height there. So meet the Moto G Pure and get more of what you love. Enjoy ultra wide views of your favorite movies, games, and video calls on the 6.5-inch Max Vision HD Plus display. Up to 2 days of battery life. Keep you going when you need it most. Take beautiful portraits and sharp blue light photos with the dual camera system. Feel your phone response instantly to every touch, tap, and swipe with an octa-core processor, and you feel good keeping your phone safe with the water repellent design. With Moto G Pure, more comes standard, and now you can pair it with Verizon, the network more people rely on. So it has a water repellent coating, which means that if you get a little bit of water on the phone, you guys will be fine. The Moto G Pure is not waterproof, guys, so don't submerge your phone in water. Don't do that. It says by screen for the win. Bring your favorite movies, shows, and games to life on an ultra wide screen, 6.5 inches Max Vision HD Plus display. Featuring a 20:9 aspect ratio with an 81% screen to body ratio, so you can see more, play, and enjoy more. Power whenever you need it. The Moto G Pure has a long-lasting 4,000 mAh battery, so you can work and play for up to 2 days without worrying about charging worrying about recharging, and don't and don't worry about having to wait around for your phone to charge. And with rapid charging, you can power up quickly and get back to what matters. Take your photos further. Create beautiful portraits with a blur effect on the 13 megapixel dual camera system that also includes face detection autofocus to capture your subject in the blink of an eye. You will never miss those once in a lifetime moments. The fun doesn't stop. Feel your phone response instantly to every touch, tap, and swipe, thanks to the octa-core 2 GHz processor. Plus, you can enjoy games with smoother performance and better power efficiency thanks to Hyper Engine. So that's pretty interesting. Water and worry proof. Don't let accidental spills and splashes ruin your day. The water repellent design keeps your phone protected on all your adventures, so that's pretty good. Like I said, the Moto G Pure is not waterproof, so if you guys get a little bit of water on your phone, you guys will be fine. So don't submerge your Moto G Pure in water. Don't do that. It's not waterproof, guys, so don't do that. Security made just for you. Don't worry about trying to remember a passcode. Just touch the fingerprint reader to wake up and unlock your phone in an instant. That's discreetly located within the phone's iconic logo, so you hardly know that the reader is there until you need it. Your phone, your unique experience. With my UX, your phone works just the way you want. Control with simple gestures can customize your entertainment settings and create a look that fits your style and aesthetic. Whether it's chopping down twice to turn on the flashlight, or taking a screenshot with a touch, gestures allow you to use your favorite features in a way that feels authentic and intuitive. So yeah. So the specs on this phone, like I said, this is a budget phone, so specs on her are decent, So y'all guys get Wi-Fi, of course, Wi-Fi 8 to 11, ABG and AC, dual band Wi-Fi. There's a SAR rating. It is a world device, which you can use it in over 200 countries. Does have 4G, of course. There is no 5G on here, so if you guys are expecting 5G on this phone, you guys will not have 5G here. 4G only. There's your handheld compatibilities. Google Assistant as your voice assistant. Security is your fingerprints reader on the rear. Face unlock and thanks here for mobile. Wi-Fi hotspot, Bluetooth 5.0, expandable memory, up to 512 gigabytes via microSD, so take advantage of that. 3 gigabytes of RAM and 32 gigabytes of storage. Android 11, so that's very nice. A MediaTek Helio G25 processor. Video capture for HD at 30 frames per second. Front rear camera 13 megapixel. Camera system 2 megapixel depth sensor. 5 megapixel front facing camera. 10 watt charging. 4,000 mAh battery. Usage time 46 hours. Screen type is the screen type is an IPS TFT LCD display. 18 days of standby time, 20:9 aspect ratio, 60 Hz refresh rate, so nothing special about the refresh rate. So that your 60 Hz refresh rate is your standard refresh rate, so nothing special about that. So yeah, so screen size, like I said, 6.5 inches, HD plus max vision, deep indigo as your color option. The height 6.59 inches. width is 2.98 inches, the depth is 0.34 inches, and it takes a USB Type-C for charging, so it's very nice. Now, if you guys need help with your Moto G Pure, Verizon has you covered with that. So it says here, Verizon Wallet Support helps you better understand your Verizon mobile device and other Verizon services. So check that out if you guys need help with your phone. So what comes in the box is your Moto G Pure prepaid smartphone, USB-C cable, SIM tool, and pre-installed SIM card. You do get a charger, which is very nice. And you get your Verizon guys like your terms and conditions and stuff like that. So if you guys are looking to get like a backup phone, a fresh phone for your kid or whatever, the Moto G Pure is the phone to look at here. The phone does look very nice. It has pretty nice features for what it is. This is a budget phone. So for $150 you're not getting, for $150 you're getting a lot. For $150 you're getting what you pay for here. So not bad for $150. And like I said, this is a budget phone, so don't expect a whole lot. But it does have Android 11 on there, so that's very nice. It does have a fingerprint sensor. It does have fast charging, so it's pretty cool there. So there you guys go, Moto G Pure, now available at Verizon Prepaid. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It will help me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.